What's up, True Beauty fam, and welcome back to another video. Today is gonna be kind of like a hair tutorial. Yeah, it's gonna be a hair tutorial, and I'm also kind of like doing my first impressions of this ponytail. It is by Sensational. Yeah, so as I was saying, my other camera cut out, the battery died, so we are on the Sony camera right now, so that's why I look a little bit more filtered, but whatever. So yeah, today is gonna be a hair tutorial slash first impressions of this ponytail. So far I really like it. It is a synthetic ponytail. This is by Sensational, and this is their instant pony in the style French wave, and this ponytail is 30 inches. Here is, whoa, sorry, I have the chair between my legs, you guys, so just, you know, bear with me. This is how long it is. It comes down to basically below my hips. I am 5 feet tall, so yeah, that should give you guys some type of perspective. I'm also gonna show you it from the back, so just give me 1 second. Okay. So this is the ponytail from the back. This ponytail is so freaking pretty. Also, I got this in the color 1B, just in case anyone was wondering and wanted to purchase this ponytail. But yeah, this ponytail is so cute. I just realized I don't even have a lip color on. Yo, give me a second, guys. Alright, y'all. I could not find my pouch that has all my lip colors and stuff in it, so I put on some lip oil and we're just gonna have to color today. But anyways, as I was saying, yeah, this ponytail is really pretty. I got it in the color 1B. I got it off of Ebony Line, and it was like $9, $8, $9. I'll put the price somewhere around the video. But this ponytail is so freaking pretty, and I'm already in love with it from the first wear. So yeah, we can just get on into this tutorial, and I will see you guys a little bit later. Okay, so the best way for me to do this is on freshly washed hair. So I did just wash my hair, and it is clean. So now I'm just gonna take some water and resaturate the front of my hair because it did dry. It also works best if my hair is wet, like saturated. I don't understand how some girls be coming on here full face and trying to do a slick ponytail, like, and they'll be like, oh my god, my makeup. Like, girl, just do your hair and worry about your face later. For me, you gonna get what you get and not throw a fit. I'm beating my face later, but for right now, you are gonna get au natural. So, okay. The front of my hair slash midsection of my hair is now wet. I should have bought a paper towel because the water keeps dripping on my face. BRB. Okay, now something I'm about to do that I don't typically do is section my hair. I usually just part my hair and then put gel on it and go, and that's it. But today I want to be like super sleek, like not so that I get attention alopecia, but excuse me, I just want it to be like slick, like laid, like, you know, bow, if y'all understand what I'm saying. If y'all catch my drift. So I'm just gonna split the bottom half and top half of my hair, and then clip this part up. I have a couple of blow dry clips. Oh my god, blow dry clips right in front of me, so I'm just gonna use both of them in the front of my hair, because I feel like if I don't use both, my hair is just gonna fall down and then it'll be a mess. Okay. My hair is detangled, by the way. I just like to, you know, make sure. And I'm also kind of smoothing out the top part of my hair so that, you know, we get ultimate slickness. And what I do, since I want to keep this style for a couple of days, I will go in with some Eco Styler gel, but not like the regular one, like the regular green one. I go in with the one that has argan oil, so the one with the red cap. So I'm gonna take some of that. And I'm gonna work that all on my hair. My hair is coming through dripping right now. Okay, so now that that's in my hair, what I'm gonna do is take some Got To Be gel, the black bottle, because that holds my hair better. And I'm gonna do like a large squirt like that. And then mix it in my hand. And work that at the top of my hair. And what I like to do first, like to get like ultimate smoothness, is take a soft brush and brush my hair back. And now I'm gonna take a hard brush and just finesse it a little bit more. And I'm just brushing up the back of my hair. And for right now, I'm just gonna put it in this little scrunchie, just so I could do like the other parts of my hair. I'm not putting it tight, I'm just kind of letting it sit there in a low bun. Okay, so I'm gonna take my hair down and I'm gonna part it. I'm doing a side part today, so I'm gonna part it. What I want to be like my swoop or my bang, whatever you want to call it. And for right now, I'm just gonna be a unicorn. Okay. And I'm gonna work on this section of hair, since it's not a thick section, like the hair in it is not thick. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same thing I did on the bottom section, with a little bit more gel, just because this side does have more hair. Bro, this shit about to be like a fucking helmet. And I'm gonna take out the little ponytail that I did from the back and just combine both sections. Now I'm going to take my actual scrunchie and tie this hair back. I'm only going to do it twice and leave it in a little low bun. And then we can go ahead and move on to this section right here. So what I'm going to do, I like to part this with my finger, because sometimes it doesn't part the way I want it to part with a comb. So yeah, I'm gonna go in Okay, I'm not gonna talk too much during this part because this part is basically self-explanatory. So y'all can just watch, and I'll talk to you guys later. Now I'm gonna combine all of my hair. I'm not gonna pull my hair too tight, only cause I am putting a drawstring ponytail over this. But I usually just stop here. And this is my ponytail. So I'm gonna let my ponytail set, and I'm gonna work the front of my hair and my baby hairs, and I'll be right back with you guys. Okay, y'all, so this is the ponytail that I will be using today. It is by Sensational and it is their 30-inch French wave ponytail. And yeah, we're just gonna pop it on. I braided my ponytail and put it in the smallest bun that I could. I do have a lot of hair, so I knew the bun wasn't gonna be like super small, but I was trying to get it small enough. So I'm just gonna pin the bottom clip or bottom comb and the top comb. And I'm gonna take a section of hair from the bottom of the ponytail. Y'all, this is the finished look. I'm gonna go ahead and do a little quick beat and I'll be right back. Alright y'all, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and make sure to turn on my notification bell so you are notified every time that I post. And if you want to see more ponytail videos, just let me know in the comments down below. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!